Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure battery is at least 50% or keep the phone plugged in. Once done, back up your important data, contacts, photos, and settings to cloud or PC so you can restore if needed. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and free up around 2 GB of space. This prevents canceled downloads. Now open Settings and locate Software Update or System Update to begin checking for available packages. You tap Check for updates and let the phone fetch the latest package. Download over Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Once the package appears, read the release notes and any permission changes so you know what's being modified and why. After that, choose Install, either automatic at night or manual now, and follow prompts. The device will verify and prepare files, then it will reboot to apply the update. Make sure you do not interrupt the reboot sequence. Once the update finishes and the phone boots, check settings for the new build number and security patch. Confirm apps open and system functions like Wi-Fi and calls work. If you encounter a boot loop, immediately try booting into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, then wipe the cache partition. This often resolves startup issues. If data seems missing, restore from your recent backup. Only perform a factory reset when other options have failed, because that erases all personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.